The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Stir-fried garlic shrimp is a quintessential Vietnamese seafood stir-fry that celebrates the bold, aromatic interplay of garlic, chili, and fish sauce. The dish exemplifies the Vietnamese culinary philosophy of balance, the savory depth of fish sauce and oyster sauce, the gentle heat of fresh chilies, and the natural sweetness of fresh shrimp all come together in a quick, high-heat stir-fry. What makes this preparation distinctive is its two-stage cooking method. The shrimp are first seared to lock in their juicy texture, then a fragrant garlic-chili-oyster sauce is built in the same pan and spooned over the top, ensuring every bite is coated in glossy, aromatic flavor. This is a dish that comes together in minutes, but rewards attention to technique. A properly preheated wok, quick searing, and timing the garlic so it turns golden rather than bitter. Main ingredients: fresh large shrimp, peeled and divined, 1½ pounds. Oil, 3 tablespoons. Garlic, minced, 4 cloves. To 2 finger-length chilies, deseeded and minced, 1 oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon. Sprigs of coriander leaves to garnish as desired. Marinade: minced garlic, 2 teaspoons. Fish sauce, 1 tablespoon. Salt, 1/4 teaspoon, for serving. Steamed white rice as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Prepare the shrimp. Peel and devein 1½ pounds of fresh large shrimp. Rinse under cold water and pat thoroughly dry with paper towels. Drying the shrimp is essential. Excess moisture will cause steaming rather than searing, preventing that desirable golden crust. Set aside on a plate or in a colander. Step 2. Mince the garlic. Peel and finely mince 4 cloves of garlic. Divide the minced garlic into 2 portions, 2 teaspoons for the marinade and the remainder for the stir-fry sauce. Mincing rather than slicing ensures the garlic releases its full aromatic oils and distributes evenly throughout the dish. Step 3. Prepare the chilies. Take 1 to 2 finger-length red chilies. Slice each chili lengthwise and use the tip of a spoon or a knife to scrape out and discard the seeds and membranes. Finally mince the deseeded chilies. Removing the seeds moderates the heat while retaining the chili's bright color and fruity flavor. Adjust the quantity to your spice preference. Step 4. Mix the marinade. In a large bowl, combine 2 teaspoons of the minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix well until the salt begins to dissolve and the garlic is evenly distributed through the fish sauce. Step 5. Marinate the shrimp. Add the peeled and divined shrimp to the marinade bowl. Toss and mix until every shrimp is evenly coated with the garlic fish sauce mixture. Cover the bowl with a cloth or plastic wrap and allow to marinate for at least 30 minutes. This resting time lets the fish sauce penetrate the shrimp, seasoning them from within and giving them a savory depth that a last-minute seasoning cannot achieve. Step 6. Prepare the garnish. Wash a few sprigs of fresh coriander leaves and pat dry. Set aside. If serving with rice, prepare steamed white rice so it is ready by the time the shrimp are cooked. Cooking steps. Step 1. Heat the wok and sear the shrimp. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a wok or large skillet over high heat until the oil is shimmering and just beginning to smoke. Add the marinated shrimp in a single layer, working quickly to distribute them evenly across the hot surface. Stir-fry the shrimp until they turn pink and are just cooked through, about 2 to 3 minutes. Avoid overcooking. The shrimp should be plump and slightly springy, not rubbery. Step 2. Remove the shrimp. Remove the wok from the heat and carefully transfer the cooked shrimp to a serving platter using a slotted spoon or spatula, leaving as much of the seasoned oil as possible in the pan. Set the platter aside. The shrimp will stay warm while you build the sauce. Step 3. Build the garlic chili sauce. Return the wok to medium heat. The residual seasoned oil in the pan carries the shrimp's marinade flavors and will form the base of the sauce. Add the remaining minced garlic, about 2 teaspoons worth from your total, and the minced chilies to the warm oil. Stir-fry for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly, until the garlic turns fragrant and light golden brown. Watch carefully. Garlic can go from golden to burnt in seconds, and burnt garlic will taste bitter. Step 4. Add the oyster sauce. Once the garlic and chilies are fragrant and golden, add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce to the wok. Stir quickly to combine, allowing the oyster sauce to coat the aromatics and meld with the seasoned oil. Cook for just a few seconds. The oyster sauce needs only a brief moment to warm through and release its savory, slightly sweet umami notes. Remove the wok from the heat immediately. Step 5. Sauce the shrimp. Spoon the hot garlic chili oyster sauce mixture along with the flavored oil evenly over the reserved shrimp on the serving platter. The sauce will cling to the shrimp, infusing them with a glossy, aromatic coating. Garnish generously with sprigs of fresh coriander leaves. Step 6. Serve. Serve the stir-fried garlic shrimp immediately while hot alongside steamed white rice. The dish is best enjoyed the moment it is plated, when the garlic is at its most fragrant and the shrimp are at their tender best.